Okay, you guys, I am doing a room tour. We are in Redington Beach at the Malibu Beach Resort. We were upgraded to an efficiency because we're literally the only people staying in this little hotel motel right now. So this is basically the room. So this is the front door. It's like old-fashioned, type of front doors. And just to give you guys an idea of why we're staying here, we just had to get out of Dodge for 2 nights because our roof is being replaced. So this place is pet friendly. So here's the door. You walk in, automatically king size bed. So this is a king size efficiency. We actually didn't book this. They upgraded this for us because they knew we had Loki and we're literally the only people here. So on this side, just our shoes, and then we have this TV with some dresser drawers. My stuff is everywhere, sorry, but a table with 2 chairs. And basically this is like, to me, this is like a full-size fridge. Look at this refrigerator. So we have some stuff in there now. And of course it has, a freezer. My iced coffee is getting cold again. Just to go along this wall, there's a closet. There's actually a fan up there. So I didn't know if my husband noticed that, so we'll take that down. And then right across is the bathroom. It's old fashioned, you guys, but they have everything you need. A hair dryer. I wondered about the hair dryer. It's a tub with a shower. And this was recently renovated. I don't know if the bathroom, like the design was renovated, but there is nothing wrong with this bathroom, in my opinion. There's a full-size length mirror. Hello. And then a little trash. And then this is basically your kitchen area. And like I said, the lady who works here, by the way, she's so freaking nice. She's like, oh, we just upgraded this. So you have everything you need. You have a microwave. You have stuff in here. You have, the sink. There's some silverware. And then down here, there's pots and there's pans. Sorry if it's not dark enough. Oh, they're back. But it's everything that you need. I think that's like a stovetop like grill too. Coffee maker, like I said, microwave. So it's super nice.
No, you can't jump on the bed.
No, I have there's towels over there for him. So, like I said, this place is pet friendly.
Stop it.
So that's why we're here.
On his belly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, but that's basically the room. We're super psyched. It's actually much nicer than we thought it was gonna be. If you're the type of person that needs like a lot, this might not be for you, but this is enough for us. We love it. So
For 2 nights?
For 2 nights. All right. Loki.
Yuck.